To get a cash advance from the Dave app, start by opening the application. Once opened, you will see several options at the bottom, including Home, Goals, Extra Cash, Move Money, and your profile. Select the Extra Cash option. Then tap Get Cash to proceed. A pop-up will appear, and you should click the Edit button next to the amount of funds. After editing, click the Next button, which will take you to the Settling Your Advance page. On this page, you will see an Agree option at the bottom. Click this to agree to the settlement terms. A new pop-up will appear, displaying the settlement date and settlement methods. Scroll down and click Yes, I agree to confirm. You should then receive a notification stating that your advance is on its way. Finally, you will be given the option to leave a custom tip. To leave no tip, click this option, type 0, and confirm. Following these steps will allow you to successfully get a cash advance from the Dave app.